In this video, I will show you how to fix can't install Meta AI from Google Play Store. So the first thing that you need to check is your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that it's stable and it's working. Then the next thing that you can do is simply open up settings. Then scroll till the end. There you will find system and update. Click on it. Then go to software update. Make sure that your device is up to date. Simply go back. Then go to about devices. Here you will see storage. Click on it. Make sure that your internal storage is not full. If it is full, then you will have to delete some of the unnecessary files. Then let's go back to Play Store again. Now if your install button is still not working, then the app might not be compatible with your device, or your Google Play Store's storage might be full. So what you can do is simply click on the search bar again. Now what you can do is simply click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down below, click on Manage App and Device. From here, check if your storage is full. If your storage is full, what you can do is simply try to sign in into any other account of yours. Then try to download it from there. And one more thing that you need to ensure is that if there is any VPN or proxy turned on, then simply turn it off. After that, simply press and hold on to your power button. Then turn the slider upwards. Then let your device get restarted. Then try to download it again. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.